Want to know the cost to build this house plan and how different options might affect the total cost to build? This free calculator will show you the estimated construction cost ranges for this plan when you enter your zip code and make a few broad selections. Is the cost range what you thought it would be? An estimated range is a great starting point, but if you're curious about a more detailed breakdown, the cost to build report lets you adjust over 60 line item details for your plan and zip code. Details often lost in general cost per square foot quotes. Whether you're ready to build and want to know where every dollar is going, you're still a year out or two and don't have a builder yet, or you just want to know which plans are in your budget, the cost to build report is your smartest next step. Most customers and builders order more than one report to compare different house plan costs and help with their decision-making process. This interactive report allows you to select materials, adjust quality, and include other cost factors that may affect the total budget. Maybe you're wondering about a metal roof or upgraded flooring. Maybe your brother is doing the electrical. Perhaps there are specific cabinets you want, or you'd like to upgrade the porch. The StartBuild Cost to Build report breaks it all down with over 60 line items showing you where every dollar of your build goes. Export copies in PDF or Excel format to compare side by side, or share with your builder and lender. Using current construction data and our advanced StartBuild technology, our team will customize your cost to build report based on your local zip code and home plan choices. And we're always here to answer your questions. Thousands of customers and even builders order these reports every month, giving them the confidence to make better budgeting decisions. So try the free estimate right here, then order your cost to build report and give yourself the advantage.